Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's episode, I bought FileCoin again, and in today's video, we're going to discuss about why I bought in this FileCoin, what is my strategy, where are the level of supports if we start dipping even further below, and where are the targets anyway. Let's begin. So as I said, ladies and gentlemen, I bought in FileCoin. Whoever does know what happened, I bought in over here, and I sold somewhere approximately over here, I think, on this peak near 190, and right now we are actually below 150, unfortunately, $150 per one FileCoin. Very important thing to mention, as we mentioned in the previous video, FileCoin dropped to 15th place on the coin market cap with market capitalization of $9.3. This is something that I gave warning for the people who were a little bit way too new in the space, and this happened. Well, we were in top 10, I think, over here on the FileCoin, and it had market capitalization of 12 point something billion dollars. Make sure to go and check it out. So first thing first, why I bought in FileCoin. Let's cover the bullish side. The bullish side first is going to be the 20 EMA on the daily chart, and one of the reasons for that is because price reaction towards 20 EMA. What I saw over here is once FileCoin on the daily chart managed to retest 20 EMA over here, in this morning when I woke up a little bit earlier for my job, I checked the price over here and we were approximately over here on this area. What I saw over here is that the price is coming out of the RSI overbought zone over here, and the candles over here that are forming, they broke to the bearish side, but interesting thing is that those candles were not very violent. The big volatility is not here to see those big spikes and big candles, and I decided, okay, this is going to be one fine retest for the 20 exponential moving average before we may actually continue this bull market to the upside. Now, as the price did, I actually bought in over here on 155 or something for some money, and some money I put the limit order over here when since I was at work, the price just came in and fill me in for that trade, so I got some sort of a position over here as the average price, let's say, because I put in the same amount of money. So what is my goal? Well, my goal is to get from this price at least some 30 or even maybe again 71% for the same amount of money reward that I got from here to here, right? So I'm going to put more money, but the question is when. If the price starts dipping below 20 exponential moving average, which is this yellow line over here on the daily chart, well, then I'm going to most probably buy in more FileCoin, and I'm going to expect it to close somewhere approximately on the $96, as I told you in the previous videos. Why? Well, this level, it is important on the Fibonacci level. We covered and discussed that. You need to check out the previous video about FileCoin. So that also would mean that this 50 simple moving average could come over there and give much more better support on this level, because multiple level of supports or indicators on one place are giving very good level of support. So that is something that you need to take care of. This is my strategy for the FileCoin for now, and I will inject more money in the FileCoin if we're coming even near this level of support. That would be my strategy for the FileCoin. It would be nice to, bounce from here so I can save my tether for something else and for more coins, because I'm trading right now with many more coins, but this would be some of the strategy. Now, when it comes to the target, I would expect at least to reach $238, to at least retest that all-time high, and then I will decide if I should actually take that cash back or I will let it ride, because we don't know how the price would react on that area over here once it comes near. If it just go above this area without any problem whatsoever, then I will just let it go and make the new all-time highs. That also depends everything of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin in this case scenario is very important. We need to break all-time high. We are almost near. We are dropping, unfortunately, from 20 EMA and from some important level of supports that I discussed in some previous videos, but we need to break this high over here in order to see FileCoin jump also, and some other altcoins. Definitely when we look the weekly chart, it's cooling off from overbought zone on the RSI over here, and we can see that we are mature for even bigger drop over here on the weekly chart because FileCoin did not have any correction. Many in the comments spam me and almost curse on me why I sold the first position, but now you can see why I sold. I'm pretty much a trader and I'm making profits like that. So if you are tending to make some of the good profits, make sure to think clearly and logically and not with moon boys hodl mentality. That's very important. You're going to learn and earn much more. One more thing that could potentially happen over here on the daily chart, you can see that the MACD is crossing to the bearish side. This is not good sign, but also over here we had some sort of a cross, let's say, or stagnation, and we had just a bit correction below 20 moving average exponential over here, which could also lead us to over here $96 and just somehow turn and push to the upside. Until then, I'm going to have some good average price, so if we bounce, which is possible, and I see the weakness, I could get out on the zero, or maybe just let it go to see if it's going to break and take some 2 or 3% loss. We're going to see how this is going to develop. Once the price decide from here where is it going to go, this is very important and determining point of the FileCoin right now. I think this is it for today. We're not going to complicate it too much. If you like this sort of a content, hit that like, subscribe button, very important. Let me know in the comment section down below, where are you now with your FileCoin? What do you think about all this? And until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.